Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm Anne and I share videos all about beads and fun beading projects. For today's video, I'll be doing a beads and charms haul in collaboration with Pandahall. They kindly sent me these amazing products and I can't wait to show you everything. Before we start, if you're interested in any of these products, you'll find the links in the description below. You can also enjoy 10% off your order with my discount code YXYTAN at checkout. Plus, you'll receive $53 worth of coupons just by signing up. And the best part, free shipping on your first order. On top of that, members can enjoy up to 20% off with their discounts. Now, let me show you what I picked up from Pandahall, and I'll be sharing my thoughts and reviews on each of them. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed checking out these bracelet kits with me. If you'd like to get these products, make sure to visit Pandahall. They offer a wide variety of choices for your projects. And if you're interested in the products, I leave the links down in the description. And of course, you can use my discount code YXYTAN for 10% off your order. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, loves!